Hello. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Larry, hello. Hope you're doing better today.
I'll make a list of the presents I have missed. Uncle Joe and Danny too. Oh, and you. Wonder
6.
what I'll get for you.
Rain falls once more. Rejoice. Did you have cheesecake for breakfast? I did, yes. I did. I did not cut into the baklava one yet. I'll report back on Wednesday, but I'm just gonna take the whole thing uncut with me because it'll be a little easier to transport to Nats, and then I will let you guys know how it was. 4, 5, 6. New wipers? Hell yeah. Just mentally preparing for my family. Oof. Are you going to your family or are they coming to you? I'm just skipping that this year. So that will make it easier. I'm driving to my parents. Oof. Well, I guess at least you'll have a car. So you'll have a getaway. I opted to not drive to my mom's. And then she's been talking about maybe coming up here. And I'm like, that's a little more scary to me because then we're in my house. And if I want to leave, where am I supposed to go if we're in my house? You know? I can't go anywhere if you're in my house. So my therapist is like, you can just get the fuck out whenever you want. Exactly. Exactly. I'm not hosting. Hosting things in my autism, no. I think there's certain people that I don't mind hosting. But